Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to use PayPal on CNFans. Let's dive right in. First, open the CNFans app. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. Tap on it and type in the item you're looking for. You'll see different categories related to that item. Choose the one that matches what you want. Next, tap on Buy Now in the bottom right corner. Select the color or variation you prefer, and then tap Buy Now again. After that, the order confirmation page will appear. To finalize your purchase, tap Checkout in the bottom right corner for confirmation. When you reach the Payments section, you might notice that PayPal doesn't show up as a direct option. Here's the workaround: you can use a PayPal debit card, which functions just like a regular debit or credit card. Once you have your PayPal card, select the debit or credit card option, and click Buy Now in the bottom right corner. Now just enter your PayPal debit card details and complete your purchase like you normally would. And that's it. You've now used PayPal indirectly on CNFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.